Good morning. Welcome back at ECCMID TV, brought to you live from Pavilion 1 here at the ECCMID Congress Center in Lisbon, Portugal. My name is Judith Cohen. I'll be hosting these ECCMID live broadcast TV sessions. And today we have arrived at the final day of ECCMID, unfortunately, but we still have some very, very interesting content to bring to you today, both in the scientific program and here on ECCMID TV. For ECCMID TV today, we'll be hosting a number of very interesting guests. We have Professor Önder Ergonul coming in, who is the ESCCMID Communications and Publications Officer. We'll be speaking with Professor Tacconelli, who had her keynote lecture yesterday. We'll be talking to Dr. Angela Huttner, who is chairing the late-breaking session on research from the CMI. We'll be welcoming some Twitter ambassadors for ECCMID, and we'll also be welcoming a number of selected artists who have submitted their artwork to our ECCMID Art Gallery. So we're very excited for today, but to help you out and make a choice for yourself what to go and attend on the scientific program, we have Professor Jacob Moran-Gilad back with us to present to you his personal highlights. Good morning, Jacob. Welcome.
Good morning.
What do you have for our attendees today?
Good morning, Judith. Yes, this is our fourth and last day, but no less exciting. Still, we have a full program running until late afternoon. And some of my highlights for today include, first of all, the clinical grand rounds, which are taking place right now at OLA. CGR, which is a recurring event in ECCMID, is really cool. We have 6 internationally renowned physicians who will be challenged by 7 difficult clinical cases presented by young specialists. And having helped Professor Robert Reed, our moderator for this session, I can tell you that the selected cases are really cool, and this will definitely be an outstanding session like every year. We have, in parallel to that, in Hall N, a session called Travelers and Migrants on the Move Again. And this session looks at travel medicine and migration medicine in the context of the pandemic. Obviously, with all the COVID-19 lockdown and reduced mobility, all the business of travel medicine has changed a lot, and now, thanks to vaccination, we see an increasing rate of international travel, and that, of course, brings new issues with respect to travel medicine. And our experts in that session will review that new context for travel medicine. A symposium that is taking place again at 8:30. Tough choices this morning, I'm sorry. Genomics for hospital infection control. This is not a new topic, but we assembled a great panel of speakers who will provide information on the latest applications of genomics for infection control, including insights into cryptic transmission pathways in the hospital using real-time sequencing to identify and control transmission. And there will be a lot of discussion as well. We have one keynote lecture taking place today with Professor Malik Paris, who is a well-known expert in coronavirus biology. He was researching the MERS coronavirus and obviously more recently SARS-CoV-2. He's an award recipient of prestigious award and a well-known scientist, and he will provide us his view of the future threats from coronaviruses. And that's it.
That's your selection for today. Well, thank you again, Jacob. Well, we're looking forward to this final day, also with a little bit of melancholy, because it is the final day. We will be tuning out for now with ECCMID TV, but we'll be back at 9 a.m. sharp when we will be inviting 4 Twitter ambassadors who will be sharing their impressions of this year's ECCMID. So tune in at 9. See you then.